Okay, hello YouTube. Thanks for watching. Now, in this video, I want to talk about LeadsLeap. All right, but because I've spoken a lot about the tools sides of LeadsLeap and the benefits that you get in terms of marketing your business and the share codes and the funnels that that I've created for my team. I want to talk more about the actual money side, because I think we shouldn't forget about this. I'm earning over $1,000 a month with this platform now, so don't underestimate the potential of LeadsLeap. We all understand the benefits of getting access to the drag and drop editor, the funnel creation system, the automation of the autoresponder and everything like that. And I talk about those tools a lot. I got a lot of videos about that. But let's not forget the money side. Now, granted, some people say to me it would be great to be able to earn down multiple levels in LeadsLeap. However, one of the reasons why I see LeadsLeap as being a very, very long-term, solid, stable platform is because they are very modest, and it's not about the money side. I've seen marketing systems come and go, and they are basically marketing systems, but they put too much hype on the actual money side, which is great, but it tends to distract a lot of people. It gets people overwhelmed, and then people end up not using the tools themselves, and all you ever see on YouTube is people recommending the platform, because all they're interested in is doing is making a quick buck out of you. So when you join LeadsLeap, though, on the other hand, you really do feel that the people who are using LeadsLeap are using it for the right purpose, the product itself. But don't underestimate how much you can really earn with this, because guys, I've only been using this particular account for about 3 years, about 3 years. Okay. And I had LeadsLeap before that, but I wasn't really using it. And I regret that. I wish I started with LeadsLeap a lot longer ago than that. It's been around since 2008, and I knew about LeadsLeap for the long term. I knew about it, but I didn't use it. And since, about 3 years ago. But as you can see, I've earned well over $8,000 with this platform in the last 3 years, simply by recommending this tool as a resource, as a tool, not as a primary business, but as a tool, and as an essential tool that sort of marries up with your primary businesses. In my case, the primary businesses that I've been working with over the years, some of them have come and gone, but LeadsLeap is still here, and it works as a very, very solid income. $1,000 a month is great for a lot of people, and I've been able to earn that kind of money, pretty consistently. It's you earn a residual income simply because you're building it, and you're giving out value for the product, for the exact product that it is, and you don't overhype it. People don't get overwhelmed. People don't use it in the wrong way. And they don't get distracted, because it's not all centered around the money side. It's centered around the product itself, which is essential, which is why I just love LeadsLeap. There's no distraction here. So but for $1,000 a month, for me, that's great to have that as a a secondary income, which is wonderful. And I'm always getting paid, and I can withdraw the money straight into my bank account. You can also request a withdrawal to your Bitcoin wallet. But they do, send your money to a Wise account, which can then, send your money to your bank account. So, I send my money to my bank account regularly, and it pays well. I've withdrawn well over about $5,000, almost $6,000 I've withdrawn from this platform. And, the rest has been, put into, pay for the system, because of course it's a paid system. It's about $27 a month. Incredible the price is incredible, in my opinion. You can go to other platforms and pay, upwards of, $50, $60, $100, or, up to $300 a month in some cases, and still not necessarily get access to a built-in autoresponder. And the crazy thing is about a lot of other platforms like LeadsLeap, such as Aweber and GetResponse, is that you're paying based on the size of the list that you have. And as your list grows and grows, you're going to be paying more and more. For the size of the list that I have, I'd probably be paying about $400 a month. And also, the downside about a lot of those other platforms is they're not necessarily network marketing friendly. Okay, so you could, without warning, you could suddenly get your account closed down. And trust me, guys, I've seen a lot of people who have had their account closed down because the company doesn't understand the power of network marketing. and they just, assume that, you're just spamming people, which is not the case necessarily. But with LeadsLeap, they understand, they understand network marketing. It's all part of, a lot of companies, a part of LeadsLeap are centered around network marketing and affiliate marketing, and you'll be fine here. And regardless of how big your list is, you're fine, absolutely fine. And even as a free member, you still get a huge amount of value. But I highly recommend a pro membership if you're serious about your business. And you get very modest and very worthwhile commissions, and it's a company that's been around since 2008. So as I say, guys, I'm earning about $1,000 a month, as I put in here. And from the 12th of March, it's the 12th of March here, 2023. Okay. And 1 month, as you can see, if I just select the money and I show you what I'm earning here. So as you can see, the sum here down at the bottom of the spreadsheet, over $1,000. And that's residual income. That is a residual income, because these people are paying every single month, and they use the system. They like the system. They get my share codes. They get the value that we get in the system, and they get to run their business, regardless of what business they're involved in. So guys, if you've got a primary business and you're not being able to sponsor a lot of people into your primary business, have this as part of your income portfolio, so you can help people, get their whatever businesses they're promoting, set up and established, in a sensible way, so they're able to generate leads. People won't quit on you if they've built up a big leads list with this platform, and they're not going to move away like other platforms, because their leads list got so big and they're spending too much money on other platforms, because as their leads list grows and grows and grows, they end up paying more. And also, a lot of people worry about, getting their account closed down on those other platforms because they're not necessarily network marketing friendly. But you can rest assured that with a company here, LeadsLeap, that's been around since 2008, and we're always, seeing a lot of updates from the CEO, Kenneth himself. He's always bringing out new updates. It's an amazing platform. So I just love it. Yes, I'm doing a lot with LeadsLeap. Okay. And, guys, there are other leaders who are bigger than me in LeadsLeap. They've got a bigger following than me in LeadsLeap. But I've spoken to some people, and I realized that, why am I earning more money than some of the other bigger leaders? Simply because, what I'm doing is I'm making it as an essential resource for all my primary businesses. Everything that I've done in the last 3 years, I make it about LeadsLeap. You come through my funnel to check out whatever primary business I'm involved in, and you're going to get exposed to LeadsLeap as well, because it's the essential tool that I use, and I give out a lot of share codes. If you make it a part of your portfolio, if you make it a part of your journey, it's just going to promote itself. And that's what's happened to me. Everything that I do, I give out all this value, marketing your business using LeadsLeap. And, the primary businesses that I'm involved in, or whatever business you're involved in, if you're with me as a pro member, you'll get access to this page. Okay. And, you'll join under your sponsor. You can join Mega Marketing Pro, which I'll talk about in a bit, which is all centered around LeadsLeap. LeadsLeap is the backbone to Mega Marketing Pro. You get access to the full training that I've created for my LeadsLeap team, a full video training, A to Z video guides on how to do everything within LeadsLeap. Okay, so you get access to that. You get the full setup PDF guide. For those of you who prefer to read rather than watch a video, you get all the details on how to set up a LeadsLeap page and a list. Okay, it's a full-blown visual PDF document. Okay, that helps you there. And then you get access to my share codes. You get access to set 1 of my share codes here. Okay, and a number of other things. And you also get access to the set 2, which is here. If you haven't seen this, I got loads of share codes here. As you can see, you just copy the share code in. You get your pages brought into your account, all done for you. Okay, and then you have access to the brander system, so that these are lead magnets. All right, you can brand these books, rebrand them on the fly. you just stick your username and then you can brand them. Okay, so they're good. And I also get some more. You've got more share codes here for some other pages. These are all LeadsLeap pages, guys. As you can see, I make everything that I do centered around LeadsLeap. Okay, more share codes here, more share codes, video, HTML templates there, and full 30-day templates there. Another about 20 days worth of email follow-up messages there. These are the email follow-up messages that you get access to if you're a pro member, because you can only use, if you're a pro member, you can use the autoresponders as well. So might be something to consider. You also get access to my 7-day fast start guides, okay, on how to get set up as well. And, obviously, Mega Marketing Pro itself is all centered around LeadsLeap as being the backbone, but this is a free marketing system that helps you to get completely set up with LeadsLeap. So as you can see, guys, I make everything about LeadsLeap. Okay, so whatever business I'm involved in, whatever company I promote, if you want to work with me, you've got to be on board with LeadsLeap. It's as simple as that. It's my essential go-to tool for the team to get everything they need: training, share codes, done for you pages, done for you autoresponder follow-up messages, everything. Okay, so I what I'm doing here is I'm just simply sweetening the pot. You come on board, and even without all that stuff, you still get an incredible deal for $27 a month with LeadsLeap. And I've never paid for that. I've never paid that monthly fee, simply because I got to work instantly, and I brought people in on this, and their commissions helped to pay for my my LeadsLeap platform. And I've got a lot of people in my downline who have the same situation. They're just on board for life. It's a great tool. And to be able to earn, a nice $1,000 a month. Now, no guarantees, of course. My work ethic is different to others. I'm not saying I work more than you or less than you. I'm just saying that my results are not typical. I put in a lot of effort. And depending on the kind of effort that you're willing to put into this, like any business, there's no guarantees at all on how much you can earn. But they have a very, very fair compensation plan that rewards you based on the efforts that you put in. Okay, yes, this is not necessarily a money maker as such, but it makes great money when you make it a serious tool, an essential asset to your entire income portfolio, and it pays well, and it'll be long term and ongoing. So for a company that's been around since 2008, I have no problem in sharing this out to the masses, making sure that people use this as their number one tool to help them to market whatever business they're promoting. Okay, so talk to me, guys. Get in touch, and if you're with me and you're ready to upgrade as a pro member, I'll give you access to all the value that we have and that I'm giving out to my team. And I'm excited to be working with you guys. Thanks for watching, and my link is below. Get in touch with me, and I'll help you get completely set up with the tools that I'm going to give to you guys. All right, once you get on board and start taking massive action. All right, thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next training. Bye for now.